Welcome to week 4. We are a quarter of the way through the semester now, which is pretty awesome. Just be aware our first exams are coming up, so don't forget to check your syllabus for exam dates. If I am going to postpone any exams, I'll let you know via Discord and then also through a Canvas message, so it should go to your email. However, I don't have plans for that right now, but who knows what might happen. So, in anticipation of this, our participation for the week will be for you to ask a question about the content we've covered. It can be a specific question, say, I'm looking at this practice problem, and I have a question about how to, organize my equations, whatever it may be, right? Something like that. Trying to make it both applicable to organic and inorganic is kind of tough, but of course, since you're only having to deal with one section of material at a time, it's not too bad, right? So if it's organic, maybe there's a reaction that's giving you trouble. Maybe there's something about a regiochemical outcome. Or if you're in the Gen Chem 2, maybe you have a question about colligative properties or something about kinetics that we've covered. Something about second-order kinetics, who knows. By the way, our dog of the week, this is Jersey. She, let's see, obviously Chihuahua, one of many, as we know. She's about 9-ish, I'd say. Got her just about a year ago. So many of you have met her before. So she will be our dog of the week. Let's see, any other announcements? Oh yes, the homework. So the homework I'm assigning, finally we're getting that going. You'll be able to take a look at another video more specifically about homework, but I just wanted to remind you that you will have your first homework assignments due this weekend, and you'll have more due as we go through. We have a little bit of catch up to do, and so I'm going to give a little bit more time on these first assignments. So I'm trying to keep them to roughly an hour and a half each. Although sometimes we just have so much content that we need to practice on that some weeks may just have longer homework assignments. So just be aware of that. But awesome, we are a quarter of the way through. Just because I have to do this as well, make sure you are participating every week, and now that we have homework, make sure you are doing those every week as well. Even if you're turning them in late, still do them, because remember, the state is really cracking down on attendance online. And remember that the definitions for online attendance is not necessarily being here, but it's activity. So are you completing assignments? Are you engaging in participation posts? Are you actively watching all of the videos? Again, I see very easily when students are not watching the videos, they just watch the announcement and maybe they do their lab sim and that's it for the week. That's really not sufficient. I will have to drop you if that's what you're planning on doing throughout the course. So even if you're doing all your homework, but you're not participating, you're not watching the videos, it still counts as inactivity. So please, let's not have to worry about being dropped. So just make sure you're continuously engaging throughout the semester. Remember that for any 2-week period that you're found not to be engaging in the course material, that is when I am obligated to drop you up until the 10th week of class. So we all have to deal with this for another 6 weeks. But after that, then you're stuck. So after the 60% deadline, there's no more dropping. No matter what you do, if you stop participating, I can't drop you at that point. So, and thankfully, I don't have to worry about that. I hate having to be the attendance police. That is not what I'm here to do, but I do have to obey the law, right? So, anyways, that's it for this week. We'll have some fun stuff. We're doing mechanisms in both classes. That's pretty cool. We're doing kinetic mechanisms, and then we'll have the kind of continuation of our aromatic reactions in OChem. So, and then we'll have equilibrium in Gen Chem as well. So it'll be a fun week. So see you next time. Don't forget your participation is to ask a question. Even if you don't necessarily need it answered, just ask something. And then if you see someone else's that you feel like answering, by all means, hop in and say, like, yeah, I remember I had a trouble with this too. And then I thought about it this way, and that helped me to solve the problem or something. That's always very helpful, and trust me, it helps you to learn too. So, enjoy your week, everyone. We'll see you next week for more announcements, but of course, we'll have more lecture videos this week.